Today we're doing some thrifting. Thrifting? That's right, we're thrifting. Hey friends. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, luxury lover, shopaholic, shopaholique, and today we're doing a quick, very quick, possibly a future segment here of thrifting, or Tuesday thrifting teachings, thoughts, everything like that. You know I love my alliteration. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. We're gonna talk about thrifting, Tuesday thrifting talking. So let's go thrifting, you guys. Thrifting, we're gonna use some thrifting. We're doing some high-low lux here. We're doing some affordable. This is part of my sustainable secondhand savings things that I used to get, that I get things from the real world, but this is gonna be thrifting, which is much more affordable, much vintage, used, things like that. This is something I'm learning from my sister. My sister does it a lot, and I'm learning from her. So it's something to be a journey of learning and stuff like that, but it'll be fun. She goes a lot, and she's shown me, I've gone with her, where to go and what to get, and how to look and stuff like that. And the other thing is she gets a lot of really cool stuff that we can share, which I love, because we fit in the same size. She's not big, I'm not small, but it works. So Tuesday thriftings, thoughts and talks. So yeah, this is what she got. It is a vintage Marc Jacobs leather jacket, 100% leather, brown leather jacket, which fits me like a glove. She's taking it with her on her trip, so I won't get to wear it for a while, but it fits really nice. It's just got a little bit of this like fraying and stuff here, or whatever, not fraying, like aging of leather. The leather's really soft. It's very comfortable.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
It was $40. I'm
not sure I understand.
I'm in awe. $40 is crazy. I cannot believe this. Because I like to spend a lot of money on things, some Shopaholic, things like that. But like, I'm learning this. I want to do a little more affordable, high lux. This is great. Mixing things together. This is gonna be really, really fun. Like expensive stuff with affordable stuff, used stuff with new stuff, vintage stuff, all that stuff. Anyway, also yeah, obviously with this background, I know it's a little different of background, but this with this, so we're going for a little bit. Yeah? Okay. So that's what I got. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. We're gonna start this segment. If you want to see more of these, let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to do more as I continue to learn, as I continue to shop. I'm gonna start going more and more, just like I do my Saturday segments, which I've been doing for a while, which I don't know if you guys love or not, because I feel like they don't actually hit as well as I thought they would. I'm gonna keep trying to do those, but if you wanna see more of this, let me know in the comments below, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please show your friends and family you hate it. Share with your enemy next, since I know your time is valuable, and I especially appreciate you spending your time here with me. Okay, thanks guys. Okay, that's all. That's it. Bye.